In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose and get the perfect domain name for your business or project. Hey everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and today we're looking at a really important topic, and that's picking the right domain name for your business, your project, your personal brand, or whatever you need it for. Now, there are so many implications to getting the right domain name, right? You want to pick something that matches your brand. There are huge SEO implications, which I'm actually going to show you with some of the sites I've built. There are just so many things, right? I mean, it represents a lot, and you want to pick something with longevity. Now, of course, the problem is the internet's now been around forever, and it seems like all the great domain names are taken, especially the .coms. And this is probably exacerbated by the fact that there are these cyber squatters who buy all these random domains, don't have any sites or anything associated with them, and they're just trying to fish people in to pay $5, $10, $20, $30, $100, whatever $1,000 just to get this domain name. But all is not lost, guys. I'm going to show you how you can still get a great domain name, a .com domain name that makes sense for your brand, and then I'll show you some additional steps from what we can do with that domain name. Some quick ideas to where you can go to get a logo, or how you can build a quick site around it. So we'll jump into all of that, guys. Really excited for this one. All right, guys. So let's get started. So what we want to do is use this tool called Name Mesh. So Name Mesh is, I've never heard of these guys, but they do have this one cool tool which helps you come up with the right domain names, and it checks it. So super awesome. I'll show you. So let's just say we're doing something like a tech review site. Yeah, you can imagine how saturated that is and how hard it would be to get something that's relevant to that. Now, from an SEO perspective, super important to get, number one, the words you're trying to target in the domain. This is probably my number one SEO tip that so many people fail to do. I mean, a lot of people choose a domain name that doesn't have any search intent, and that's great if you're building a brand and doing more of a long-term play. But if you want to start ranking sooner, you want to pick the right keywords. So for example, if we're doing a tech review site, it would be really powerful to have the words tech review in the domain name. Then when you couple that with the title tag and the H1 tag, I won't go into too much SEO, that'll be a separate video, but just know it's important. And just to show you guys, I'll show you two sites I built. So here I actually built a site. It's a site selling custom branded Google Cardboard. Just sold it last year. But if you Google custom branded Google Cardboard, and this is my number one. This is me right here. So, and this is even using a .ca domain rather than a .com because I'm in Canada. But the fact is, Google Cardboard is in here. Right? So you guys can see, again, that's not a magic bullet. There, you have to know what you're doing and all the other things and the right content and backlinks and everything. There's more to it, but this is a huge SEO boost. I'll show you another one I'm working on right now. It's a resort site. So it's for all-inclusive resorts, and so all-inclusive resort maps. When people go to these resorts, they want to look at the map, right? So you go there. Here I am right here. All right, guys, so I know someone's gonna comment and say, oh, you're not an incognito, it's using your cache. Okay, so I'll just do this just to show you guys it's an incognito, there's no cache involved, and that's right, first page. And so obviously this is my site. So guys, suffice to say, super important to pick the right domain, right, guys, especially for SEO. So now let's now jump back here. Cool. So now that we kind of understand why it's important. So we're trying to get tech review. Okay, let's just type tech review. Like, there's no way in hell we're getting to techreview.com. I don't know what this spam is. That's why I don't know. I just use these guys for that tool. When things just start randomly opening pop-ups, I don't trust sites like that. So it's a good tool here, but we're not going to buy our domain from these guys. So cool. So techreview.com, obviously we're not going to get that. But if you scroll down, there's this, and like I mentioned, you can get all these weird stuff, techreview.ninja.rocks. Who is buying .rocks? I don't even know what that is, but sure, okay. The point is, when you see this stuff, I don't know about you guys, but I would not click this. If I saw techreview.link, I'd think that's some spam site or trying to do some phishing, or it just looks really suspect. I do not buy any of this garbage, right? I mean, if it's not .com, then I wouldn't buy it. Maybe if you have an education site, you can use .edu, but that's, a different story. But I would not buy any of these alternative, top level domains. It's just garbage. So guys, the point I'm making, look at this right here. This thing will actually try different combinations for you. Like, let's look in here. Let's see what we can get. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Look at that tech review pad, right? Like that makes sense. That's a place for tech reviews, right? Tech review pad. So guys, like that. Oh, tech review hub. That's even better, guys. We just got the words tech review and hub. And so it's only 3 more characters than just tech review. This is a great domain name. If you guys are doing tech reviews, go grab this one. So, okay, so the next thing we do, as I said, I don't know who these guys are. So I've been using Namecheap for a long time. They're awesome. So, and as you can tell by the name, they're Namecheap. So the domains are pretty good. The prices. So just go to Namecheap and you just type in now tech review hub. Actually, we should actually add the .com. techreviewhub.com. Boom, we can grab that. So this is Canadian dollars, $12.39. But yeah, just add that from the cart and away to go, right? So now you can add, if you guys want, easy, you can do WordPress one-click installation here. You can do web hosting. You can add emails. So all of this stuff, guys, you can add it right from within here. I'll show you some alternatives as well. So you can, of course, like I said, right, if you want to run WordPress, it's here. Another one I've used is SiteGround. So they're a competing product, but you can also get WordPress hosting from them. I'll link all this in the below. I like them as well. Another option, if you guys don't, WordPress, advantages of this, right, guys, are it's going to be owned by you, so you can customize it how you want. You can do, you have more customization, but of course the skill level is higher, right? So both of these sites do offer one-click installations for WordPress. So if you guys, the resort site I showed you guys, that runs on WordPress. So if you guys have ever used WordPress, essentially I'll log into it right now. I'll show you guys. It's come a long way. It's no longer as hard as it used to be, but it is still I'd say more advanced than something else. If you guys are just looking to really get started quickly, you don't want to do as many technical things. You want something a lot more easier that's drag and drop, done for you, great design templates. Another option is Squarespace. This is a drag and drop one. Right, like you go to, like, let's just say we're doing technology, right? That's what we said we're doing. So, yeah, we sell products. Okay, cool. Well, growing an existing business. I don't know. I'm just picking something. It doesn't matter. The point is, like, we can see, like, these are like amazing templates done for you, popular designs by professional designers, and you just go in here and it's just like click. It's just drag and drop. You can edit it. I won't go through it with here, but maybe I will. Let's see. So it's just like drag and drop. I actually built my wedding website when I got married. I built my site on here in like 30 minutes. It was amazing, right? And it looked great, and I could it would capture everything and export it into all sorts of integrations. Yeah, okay. Let's not worry about that. So, and so right here, right, guys, like we click into it, we can just start typing, edit anything we want, right? So, edit right here. So all drag and drop, super easy, great support. So that's one, Squarespace, and the exact same product almost, the competing product, Wix. Wix has been around a little longer. I'd say it's a little more in-depth than Squarespace. You can do a lot more things with it. Maybe slightly more complicated, but again, also great template. So I would say easiest and fastest Squarespace, then Wix, and then WordPress, right, guys? So if you're wondering which one do I start with, if you're looking to build a brand that you want to sell this website in the future, very, very important. If you want to sell your website in the future, then maybe WordPress. If you want to just get started and validate your idea, I'd go with either Squarespace or Wix. And remember, guys, if you can migrate out of Squarespace or Wix to WordPress in the future or something, or vice versa. So it's not like you're stuck in there, but just something to think about. So guys, I'll drop all of that. And lastly, you're probably going to need a logo for your business. So you can use something like, it's called Looka. It's like a logo generator. I actually made a video on this and like generate more logo designs, right? You go in here, you say tech blog, right? You just type what it is. You just pick a number of logos you like. Then it starts generating for you. Like, I'll just do this super quick for you guys, right? Let's say we like orange. It doesn't even matter. Tech review. What do we call our business? Hub, right? So Tech Review Hub is the name of our business. And let's say technology. Let's say skip. Let's just let it do it all, do the work for us. Like, look at this, it just generated tons of logos for us, right guys? You can go in here, you can customize logos, customize colors, boom, and then you just grab it. That's it. So super easy. Other option, if you don't have a a creative bone inside you and you just need somebody to do it completely for you, you can just go to Fiverr, starting at like $5. Some of these gigs, you can get someone to do a logo for you. Like this guy will do it for $7.28 Canadian, which is $5 US. I'm in Canada, so they localize the pricing. But like, whatever your budget is, right? If you can, whatever it is, but getting a logo done even for $20 Canadian, that's like $15 US, is nothing, right? So guys, lots of options. I'll leave these down below, but again, just want to bring it back to the original topic here. Super important, guys. Do not be one of these people that pick a random domain name with one of these stupid things. Just don't do it. And like, imagine then your email address, like someone's gonna email you at techreview.expert, like whatever your name is at techreview. It's just completely stupid. So do not get one of these. And then guys, use the tool here, grab it from Namecheap. Then website options, you can either do it all within here. If you're comfortable with WordPress, you can use SiteGrounds too for WordPress. And then, but if you want something that's more done for you, spin up a website way quicker, then I would go with Wix or Squarespace. That's it, guys. So in the future, I'm going to be doing an SEO video. I realize a lot of people have been asking me for that. And been doing SEO for almost 15 years now, so I will make a video for some quick stuff. Like SEO, of course, is super in depth, but like, what are the major drivers of traffic, right? So, and how do you optimize that? So I'll make that video. Subscribe if you want to get that. I'm thinking if I get to when I get to 2,500 subscribers, I'll probably do that one as a motivational thing for me. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully that's been helpful, and best of luck on your business or project.